Today, we're going to be talking about how you can use wealth affirmations to manifest abundance in your life. If you've been struggling with financial abundance, you're not alone. But the good news is that with the power of affirmations, you can shift your mindset and start attracting wealth and abundance into your life. So, what are wealth affirmations and how do they work? Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to change your beliefs and behavior. When you say these statements over and over again, your subconscious mind starts to believe them. And you begin to act in ways that are in alignment with those beliefs. For example, if you're struggling with financial abundance, you might say something like, "I'm abundant in all areas of my life, including my finances." When you repeat this statement, you begin to believe it. And you start to take actions that support that belief, such as saving more money or looking for new sources of income. But it's not enough to just say these affirmations once and expect results. To truly manifest abundance in your life, you need to make these affirmations a daily practice. Set aside some time each day to say your wealth affirmations out loud and really feel the truth of these statements. One of the keys to success with affirmations is to make them specific and meaningful to you. Instead of just saying, "I am wealthy," try saying something like, "I attract abundance and prosperity into my life every day." This statement's more specific and focuses on the process of attracting wealth, rather than just the end result. Another tip for success with wealth affirmations is to use present tense language. When you say your affirmations in the present tense, you're sending a message to your subconscious mind that this is your current reality. For example, instead of saying, "I will be wealthy," say, "I'm wealthy right now." Remember, affirmations are just one tool in your manifestation toolkit. It's important to take action towards your goals as well. But when you combine positive affirmations with focused action, you create a powerful combination that can help you manifest abundance and wealth in your life. Thanks for watching today's video on wealth affirmations. We hope you found it helpful and that you'll start incorporating affirmations into your daily practice.